2022 will be the tipping point where we predict we will sell more electrified vehicles than conventional powertrains. So the majority of these will be mild hybrids, but there will also be full hybrids, plug-in hybrids, will have several models, and also battery electric vehicles. Normal engines will still be around in our hybrid vehicles and plug-in hybrid vehicles, and also mild hybrid vehicles, diesel and gasoline engine. However, the future emission standards, looking further ahead, will lead to conventional combustion engines becoming more expensive, also to comply with CO2. So at some point, having a hybrid electric powertrain will be cheaper, will be more cost efficient than further developing engines. So we'll see more electrification and less development, further development of engines for the sake of fuel economy. Of course, they will have to comply with emissions, also with Euro 7 and whatever the future will be.